Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix Netflix household problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If any day you are facing Netflix household problem and you want to solve it, do not worry as I will show you the exact solution. First of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device. After that, you have to search Netflix there. After you search Netflix there, you can see the Netflix icon on your mobile device. Now you have to tap on Netflix for a while. After you tap on Netflix for a while, you can see the interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of app information. After tap on the option of app information, interface like this appears on your screen. After that, you have to go to the option of set as default. After you go to the option of settings default, you can see interface like this. Now you have to enable open supported links. After that, you have to go back. After going back, you have option of permissions. After that, you go to the option of permission. You have to check whether all the permission has been provided to Netflix or not. You have to check whether the phone permission, whether the microphone permission, and whether the nearby devices permission has been allowed or not. If not, you have to tap on that and you have to go and allow the permission there. After that, you can also go to the option of nearby devices and you can also allow the permission to it. Now, you have to go back again. After going back, you have to go to the next option. That is notification. After you tap a notification, you have to check whether allow notification has been enabled or not. You also need to enable allow sound and vibration. After that, you need to go back again. After you go back, you have to scroll down until you find the option of storage. If you find the option of storage, and if there is any cache, you need to delete the cache. After you tap on the storage, you have to go to the option of clear cache, and this way your cache will be deleted. After that, you have to go back, and after going back, you have to go to the option of app details in store and tap on it. After you go to the option of app details in store, if there is any update available, you need to update it, and this way your problem will be solved. So that's basically how you can fix Netflix household problem. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.